Hi, Gray.
Hi.
Hi, Liv.
Video.
Get off the road.
Oh yeah. It's really thick today.
Okay.
I saw lightning. When I'm playing in this ditch right here.
Yeah.
My feet get soaked in it, and then my boots get filled with water.
Well, they're winter boots. They're for snow. Do you hear that?
Yeah. When we were on a birth grade, we were just over there. Isabel, I bet it kind of hurt at her ear, and these motorcycles came past by one day.
Yeah.
The lightning's still on in the thunder because I saw lightning at first.
Don't go past that telephone pole, boys. No, Holden, just take them off. They're wet. Don't get new ones on. Holden, don't get new ones. That's fine.
I didn't see. Okay,
Livy. What are you doing? Nice. Hi, Gray. Out of the road. There we go. Thanks, bud.